are draining themselves out whilst trying to compete with you. This person is refusing to give up on a one-sided competition that you didn't even know you were a part of. For some of you, I'm exposing that you're a part of this one-sided beef. For others of you, you know what time it is. But this individual is beyond stubborn. They're very determined for you to feel left out in the cold. It's like they're trying to find different avenues to get you in some cases. And when I say get you, it's like they want to humble you. They feel like you don't deserve to be in a certain environment. They want to try and push you out of an environment, of a friendship group. They want you to be banished, They want to be top dog, they want to be the star of the show. There's something along them lines, but I feel like this person wants to be known as the person that dethroned you in some way. So that indicates to me that this individual sees you in a high light. This person ain't letting this thing go. It's like they tried 1, 2, and 3. Like it's supposed to be 4 of Pentacles, but there's only like 3 pentacles here, or 3 balls. So this indicates to me that something's not right with this person, yeah. Something's not right. This person is very determined to, I'm hearing in my mind's eye, they lost their marbles. It's a saying that they say in England when someone's not the 400. Not the 400 means like that person's not mentally there. Like whatever energy this person is pouring into trying to take you down is actually affecting them mentally. They're obsessed with trying to control a narrative. They're obsessed with trying to rival you, trying to beat you. There's something about this 4 of Pentacles here for me, because there's only 3 pentacles. I've searched on this card to find the 4th one, unless it's underneath there. But yeah, I feel like this person could be trying to find something about you to destroy your character. They're trying to find dirt on you. There's something here, and I feel like they're very focused and fixated. Okay, for some of you, I feel as if this individual is focused on your love life. Okay, so they could be trying to find out if you're really loyal. It's like they want to catch you talking to the opposite gender, or the same gender if you date the same gender. It's like they want to try and taint your image. There's something about trying to destroy your perception of someone. So say for instance, you're dating someone and this individual is jealous of you or jealous of the person that you're dating. There's something along them lines, right? They want to find information to present, to say to you or the other person, see, they're not your soulmate. This person's been cheating, they've been flirting with people. There's something like that. For some of you, this individual is an ex-friend that could have had romantic feelings for you, or it's someone that you no longer are. For some of you, this person is around you. There is a warm energy. I'm not saying this person's warm, but to me that indicates this energy is close to you. So you could still be around this individual, but I feel like this person is trying to force closeness. There's something about them trying to force closeness. They're not letting this situation go. So maybe for some of you, you may not see this person in that way, or you no longer want to be with a person, but they're still trying to force an energy, force an interaction, possibly going towards people that you both know of to get close to you. There's something about trying to work through others to get close to you. And the thing is, for some of you, yeah, it ties in with maybe this person's trying to get close to people that you like. Okay, thank you, Spirit, because we don't want to go off topic. This person is trying to, I'm hearing, rally the troops. They're trying to get close to people that you are close to push you out. Remember, we started off with the 5 of Pentacles in the reverse. So it indicates that whatever scheme they're doing, it's not working. They're running out of ideas. It's like they're rotating the same idea over and over again. They're using some type of same formula. So say for instance, you're in a romantic relationship. This person's trying to flirt with your partner. This person's trying to get close to your partner. They're trying to project an image that they are your person's soulmate. Say you've got a friend group, or you know of the same people, you come from the same community. This person's trying to talk to the people that you talk to, or worst case scenario, F with the people that you don't F with. You know them ones, right? So this individual is trying to hover around your connections because they want to be seen as better than you. And they're being exposed. They're tiring themselves out. And some people are... I feel like whatever this person's trying to do, it's not hidden. It's not hidden. You know, people that can see through spiritual eyes can see what this person's doing. Whether or not they'll link it to you as to why this person's behaving like this is another story. But I feel as if this person's maneuvering is being very transparent. It's not covert. It's not covert. You know, the Hermit card is a card that goes... The Hermit card is a card that talks about going within, doing the inner work, you know, hibernating. This is in the reverse. This indicates that they are exposing their intentions and their actions. You know, the Hermit card is ruled by Virgo, and Virgo alongside with I'm tired, guys. Alongside with Gemini is ruled by Mercury, right? And Mercury rules the mind. So I feel like this person was able to hide their mental instability behind closed doors and appear normal, right? And their instability, that's what I'm saying. I don't know if it's linked to you. I don't know if people are thinking, oh, they're doing this because of the viewer. I feel like it's a situation of people are starting to question this person's motive because they're doing the most. They are very erratic in regards to, it's like an aggressive energy of trying to be around the people that you get on with. It's like they want to erase you so that people see them the way that they see you. They're trying to force love. They're trying to force friendships. And it's being exposed, the desperation. And they want to be seen as a star. Remember what I mentioned? But they're being seen as a fallen star. Maybe in the past they were able to manipulate people and people thought that they were very popular, or people may have felt like... I don't think that this person was ever as popular as they want to be. Some people don't want to be popular enough. And some people are desperate for popularity. I feel like this is a person that is very desperate for, you know, some type of attention and fame. There's something here, but regardless of what they're doing, is what Spirit is saying to me, they're still not going to be seen in the same light as you. You know, because there's something about their behavior. They want to win at all cost. They want to gain some type of blessings. But again, people will feel like something's off with this individual. And whatever they're trying to progress in regards to competing with you. So say, for instance, they want to move forward with something. You know, for some of you, it could be a family member. It could be a mother. It could be someone at work. Could be someone that lives in your community. They possibly could... they want to create some type of family dynamic. So I feel like they may want to try and steal your friends. And act like, oh, we're close. We're like family. But... their toxicity is going to be seeping outwardly. And their insecurity is going to be seeping outwardly. Because the Knight of Pentacles for me is Taurus. And Taurus rules the second house. Second house talks about values. What you value, who you value. You know, how you value yourself. So people will be sensing the desperation of how extra they are going in order to gain certain connections. So there's an energy of desperation. There's an energy of people losing respect for this individual.